Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Logan and today we are talking 12 amp hour batteries. These are the latest and greatest, largest batteries that Ryobi offers. On the right I have the 18 volt high performance 12 amp hour battery. This is the PBP 1012. On the left I have the 40 volt lithium 12 amp hour battery. This is the OP 40125. Let's open them up and talk about them. Now, if you don't have one of these larger 6 amp hour batteries in that larger form factor, just as a way of comparison, this is the smaller 4 amp hour battery size. This is more of their traditional size. They do even have a 2 amp hour slim battery as well. Most of their 40 volt batteries are this form factor, and if you're not familiar, here is a comparison of what these look like. Again, from the top, because the connectors on the bottom, the connectors have to be the same or similar, so in order to connect to those batteries. Now, it is a little bit different of a release from the smaller form factor. The smaller form factor has a bigger button. The larger has the smaller button, smaller release there. But as you go around the side, that's where you really see how they've stacked the cells. This does inhibit these batteries, these larger batteries, from being used in some of the older tools, specifically like the lawnmowers that have that compartment that restricts the battery size. Those are restricted to more of this 4 amp hour or 2 amp hour battery size. But one thing that's nice again about these larger size, you get the larger amp hour, but then specifically with this 12 amp hour is this handle. Nice handle, durable handle to be able to pull these batteries up and out. Again, in my opinion, I'd like to see these handles on all of their batteries. It would just really make transporting, holding multiple batteries. If you had to cart around more than one battery at a time, you can see how you'd be holding all of these in your arms versus being able to just pick up a couple with each finger. That's it for this one, guys. Let us know in the comments what you think of these massive new 12 amp hour batteries. What do you want us to try to run and see how long it can run? And make sure to let us know in the comments what tools you want to see these batteries power and what tool you want to see next. Thanks for watching.